Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning essentials so you can apply immediately. Update your LinkedIn, GitHub, and Resume to reflect Hyderabad and role keywords. This increases recruiter matches. Next, pick 5 target companies and list 10 roles that fit your skill set so you can focus outreach. Once done, prepare scanned ID, degree, and certificates for quick submission. Make sure to tailor one-sentence summaries per role. These let you customize applications fast and show clear intent to hiring teams. You now run the core execution, targeted applications plus active networking. Apply directly on company portals, use LinkedIn Easy Apply and local Hyderabad filters so your CV reaches regional recruiters. Meanwhile, message alumni and second-degree contacts with concise asks. Request one informational chat each week and bring questions. Prepare 3-star stories tied to key roles and 2 technical take-home templates you can adapt. This speeds responses and interviews. Make sure to track submissions, responses, and follow-ups in a simple spreadsheet for momentum. You finish by converting interviews into offers and protecting momentum. Practice mocks and review the company tech stack so you answer why you fit. Ask about salary range and growth in the interview. Once you receive an offer, negotiate with market data, then confirm start date and paperwork within 48 hours to secure the role. If things stall, broaden role types, accept short-term contracts, or take a focused 4-week course to close skill gaps. Troubleshooting tip: if responses drop, follow up politely and refresh applications after 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.